Welcome back to the Cocktail Corner. Today, we're making a timeless and refreshing cocktail that's perfect for any occasion, the Gin and Tonic. It's simple, elegant, and customizable to your taste. Let's dive in. Here is the recipe to build this cocktail. 2 ounces of gin, 5 ounces tonic water, ice, lime wedge or lemon twist for garnish. First, let's talk about the glass. A highball glass is traditional for a gin and tonic. Fill your glass with ice. The more ice, the better. It keeps your drink colder for longer and reduces dilution. Pour 2 ounces of your favorite gin over the ice. Next, slowly pour in 4 to 6 ounces of tonic water. Pouring slowly preserves the bubbles and keeps your drink fizzy. Gently stir the drink to combine the gin and tonic water without losing too much carbonation. Now, for the garnish. A lime wedge is traditional, but you can get creative with many other options. For a more intense flavor, squeeze the lime wedge into the drink before dropping it in. And that's it. A classic gin and tonic. This cocktail is always a crowd pleaser. Thanks for tuning in to the Cocktail Corner. Cheers!